Hey there, YouTubers! My brother, I'm getting hungry.
Yeah?
I got the munchies.
What you got cooking?
I got an idea. Whoa, this is some trippy stuff, my guy. Whoa, you're a little foggy there. Reminds me of Mary Jane. Are you laughing right now? As I'm laughing.
Why are you laughing?
I don't know. This is the 420th subscriber special, my guys. Today we're gonna make some exquisite Betty McCrocker McFarker brownies with some special ingredient.
When did we hit 420?
We have yet to hit.
Oh.
We're just getting this ready, my guy.
It's going to happen.
In the future. The future. Okay, my brodacious bros, the first step is to remove your cocoa powder and ingredients from their corporate prism. This weed has made me weak. I can't open things. Anyways, pour it out. If my high as a kite assistant will please insert this into les classes. We then, as I was taught, make a bowl. Brownies are a quick bread. After all, my guys, I may be high, but I am a man of class. Anyways, so make a bowl in the middle, all of our wet ingredients to go into. We then need some oil. Dang America and their oil obsession. Was it half a cup?
Mm-hmm.
Glug glug glug. Drink
And
up.
the water.
How many tablespoons, teaspoons?
3 tablespoons of water.
So we add our bodacious oil. Too bad it's not CBD oil. Although I don't know if that's consumable. I may be high, but I'm not a scientist. Anyways, we then, to do this properly, crack 1 egg at a time. We need 2 eggs. Into our measuring cup. As to prevent any from unsavory ingredients from ending up in our brownies. Oops. There's an egg in my countertop now. Oh well. Trash again, sir. Thank you. Then we need how teaspoons you said or tablespoons?
3 tablespoons.
Of some holy nectar. 1. Oh, this is a little trippy. 2. 3. Only 3?
Mm-hmm.
Now you take your whisk and you whisk her up. Now, the more you whisk, the denser your brownies get. Okay, remember that. Because you beat all the air bubbles out of it. Because there's baking soda and...
Why don't we use a professional mixer?
Why look rich to you? I spent this whole video's budget on secret ingredients. And this bodacious wig. It's a very thick brownie mix. I wasn't expecting that. It doesn't whisk very well. But truth be told, it mixed up very well. You want to do the honors?
Oh, licking the spoon?
Of course!
Lick the whisk?
Yeah.
Of course.
Do it over the sink. I'm gonna mix it with a spatula. Alright. Time for our special ingredient. Oh, you didn't actually think I was gonna put weed in this, did you? You sick, sick animals. Maybe I should add more.
Yeah.
Bring it over.
All of them.
All of them?
Oh, no, just
That's a lot.
just a generous amount.
Whoops. Well, might as well be all of them at this point. These are going to be some very minty brownies here, my guy.
Mmm.
Oh, I forgot to prep the oven. Oh, crap. It'll heat fast enough.
How big is this pan?
That's a 9.
9 inch?
Yeah.
9 by 9?
Yeah.
350
I already read the instructions.
for
'Cause I
60
prepped.
minutes.
Does it really say 60 minutes?
No, 36 to 38.
Ah, that seems more.
So 37.
When your glue is so strong that it bent the pan. Your pans are green.
Oh my, I didn't even notice.
Bro, I didn't know the devil's lettuce could do that. Perfect. Take the middle one. It's always the cleanest. Then we pour our bodacious brownie mixture. Well, more of a plop at this point. I really do not think we add enough water, but fair enough, you know. I'm not a cook. What do I know, right?
Yeah, nothing.
Anyways, the baking, as I was saying, the baking soda reacts with the citric, what's that even citric acid? Some other weird acid they add in there. Weird acid. Anyways, no, seriously, there is a different type of acidic compound they add in here that reacts with the baking soda that causes the brownies to rise. Okay, very basic. Reacts with it, generating CO2, which causes the brownies to rise as they bake. However, the more you mix, the less air bubbles there are, and the denser the brownies you get, which means you get a more fudgy consistency instead of a cake consistency. You a cake or a fudge brownie guy?
Fudge.
Of course. Only lunatics like cake brownies. Anyways, do the honors.
Oh.
We'll be back with you bodacious bros when the rest of our meal and the oven is finished. We put it in there for, as he said earlier, you heard it. Bro, how's the how's the brownie?
Go.
You feeling it yet?
Oh yeah.
Anyways, I'd like to thank you all for joining us on this psychedelic journey into the unknown. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, bros. Good night. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Oh, you're still here? I thought I told you to go home. Oh, you want more? I'm flattered. Check out the playlist.
If you want exclusive content, check out my Instagram, Dr_sheep_YouTube. That's all lowercase. If you want to help the earth, subscribe. When I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to plant 10 trees. If you feel that's too small, then check out my channel chart where I lay out even bigger goals. Finally, stick around for the next 20 seconds to give me that sweet watch time. Bye.